Welcome back to J Strategies, where we bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. Welcome, everybody. Today is August 2nd. It's the second day of the week where they're setting up their targets. They're setting up their days. We're setting up. Market makers are setting them up. So let's go. We're going to hop into the charts and we're going to hop into much, much more. Crypto Live with Jay. Okay. And then let me forward this to these guys. Pubalagatsky. Alright, holla back. Smash those likes. Okay, what's up, crypto? What's up, my boy? People coming in. I'm going to actually bomb. Screens are live. We're gonna go to the actual crypto coin market cap, and we're gonna blow through these. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to right here join feed and talk and chat and tag Miku. These are my everyday feeds for news. So I'll be looking for active chats for mods as I grow. We have big promos going out today for this channel. Okay. Okay, guys. Smash that like. Alright, so this is the chart. This is just a chart for Bitcoin, but we're going to go ahead and hop into the overall crypto. Overall cryptocurrency market cap is 1.066 trillion. So it actually pulled back a little bit, but that's okay because that's good on a pullback. This is your time for DCA. $78 billion in volume, and we are midday of the market for New York Open. Bitcoin at 23,034, down 0.12%, but up 10% for the 7-day. The volume 28. And market cap 439 billion, so it's still creeping up to that 450 billion. Ethereum. Let me actually go ahead and share this, man, on my page, because the other way that they share it doesn't really do justice. So let me just hop on here real quick, and I'm gonna leave it open too, so that way I can comment back to you guys. All right, let me just drop this. And I'm going to blast out the Twitter for you guys. And then I'm going to drop it on the pin. And we're going to run this. This is going to be a daily, daily crypto news. You guys know. You guys already know. You guys already know what the deal is. Alright. Let me hit that real quick. Okay. Excellent. I'm going to pin it while we're live. I'm going to take this. Alright. And then I'm going to go over here. Alright. And we're going to drop the link. And then we're going to keep going into the market caps. The market caps. August 2nd. Crypto news with J Strategy. Miku, comments and shout outs now. Let's go. Okay, so we're on coin market cap. Okay. USDT Tether actually had a market cap of 66 billion and 54 billion. So they've been sitting around that, and they're actually running these two stable coins, which is actually pretty damn good because I use the BUSD also, and that's 17 billion out of market cap, which is these are the top 3 altcoins right now that I'm using. I usually spread between them. I use Tether to send to the exchanges. USDC, some places use it, and then BUSD is where I trade from the Binance BNB, and then I buy my Bitcoin. I can show you guys because you guys can buy your Bitcoin Bitcoin BTCB, and you can send it to the phemex exchange. And then there's also links in my description, and I also drop it so you guys can follow my link, because I'll be giving you awesome targets. And if you did use my link to sign up, make sure you DM me, because I also got other special bonuses and different projects that I work on, NFTs and all that stuff to say. The wifey wants to say to the moon. All right, there we go. So yeah, we got love, help, and support. XRP at 37, guys. Look, up 14% on the 7-day. Definitely very, very bullish. Now I'm looking here at BNB. I love BNB. I've been accumulating so much more BNB lately. BNB is up 18% on the 7-day. $45 billion market cap. $1.5 billion in volumes. Bullish. Cardano at 50 cents. Solano at 41.75. I like to see that XRP is back to that $18 billion market cap. It's definitely bullish. I'm going to take a look into that. Look, Doge back in number 10 spot. Up 11% for the 7 days at that 6 cent. 8.9 billion. Okay, but the volume's been kind of low. So let's see what we got going on with that. Polkadot. Now we're heading in from 10 to 20, but I want to talk about just a couple of these here, okay? Polygon is probably going to end up blasting over $1 as the bull market runs, because they're gaining a lot of partnerships and they're really being used as a layered project. Avalanche, it hit its 20, it's consolidated. It's been kind of staying in that area. It's up 16%, so that was my targets. If we go back below the 20, I might unload my moon bag, but I'm going to look more into Avalanche and see about these cross-chain features. Shiba Inu, 6.4. I'm waiting for Shiba to hit that 7. There's some whales that really watch this, and I'm just curious about that. Tron at 0.069. And then this Ethereum Classic, man, this shit has taken off to the moon. And the funny thing is it's all like stealth, you know what I'm saying? And it's all friggin', it's just friggin' awesome, man. You know what I mean? And okay. All right, yeah. Next moonshot. I see the tweet over there. Now we can hop into the charts. Bitcoin on the 1 hour. I'm using Trader's Reality. Follow along with me. That's the indicator. It gives me everything I need. My moving averages, my sessions, and I'm gonna tell you about it. Box right here. Sydney session, New York session, New York session open. New York session open. Pulled itself back up to the 200 EMA because the 50 is above it. Okay, we retested it. We did fall below it. What I want to see is the next half-hour candle. So I'm going to go into the half-hour candle and see where we're at. Look at that. We're retesting on the half-hour, and the 200 EMA is at 23.2. So if I see this close, I can see us heading back for that daily open at 23.2, so that would be like a target. That's another $200 move if you did a little split trade, but you really don't want to get in trades when you're right at a moving average. You want to get in the trades when we're below the moving averages, and you want to get trades when we stretch. We always talk about that. We always talk about the stretches below the moving averages on the 1 and the 4 hour, especially the 4 hour. So right now you see that we're above. The best time would be to hit a long when we hit below the 4 hour moving averages. So right now we have a lot of busy stuff going on during this moving average. I'm happy that the 50 is above the 200 on the 4 hour, which is excellent. Let's hop on over to the daily so I can just tell you guys what's happening here. Like I said, look, man, we tested that 50 EMA. We came above. We did break below it. So I want to see what happens on today's candle. We need to close above that 23.250 or 23.260 to solidify a move and a flip reversal. Okay, so we recovered these vector candles and then we had a pump to the upside, but the volume's been going low, so that does worry me. There's a lot of news and meetings happening, and you can see all time and time again we retested this. So this is a pivotal area for me, guys. This is a big area right here that I'm waiting on, because all we had was spikes above it and pullbacks, okay? Looks like we're having some trading ball status over here, holding it up. Let's hop into Ethereum, guys. Just for you. Ethereum on the daily broke above the 50 EMA. It retested and continued to the upside. Just like we were telling you when we were back here. We said if that candle retests, it will continue to the upside to the top of our pink. Next is, you see how we're not crossing? We're starting to shape up. I can't wait for this 50 to come back up over and cross that 200. That will be a definite bullish mark. I want to continue to see this close a higher low, and then we could set some targets on that. I really want to enter a trade at this moment because, you know, we're up above the 50 and we're not too extended. We're going to drop down into the 1 hour time frame so I can show you what's good with the 1 hour time frame on the Ethereum charts. Now look at this, okay? The 50 curved, almost crossed over to 200, but then bam, they hit it. That's when you hit it. You're watching the 1 hour, we get overextended, we break below it, and then you start to see this consolidation at these pivot zones. So at M1, and then boom, they hit it back above that moving average. So I'm seeing some bullish movement, which is going to make me think that on the 4 hour, that look at that, if we close this candle above this 50 EMA and then we continue to carry on, that's definitely more bullish action. And my target is the M4 pivot zone at 1720, okay, is my target. Binance BNB, one of my favorites. Guys, I told you about this move the other day when we were coming up here and we were at 280. And then when we pulled below on the 4 hour and we went down to 241, which when we on the 1 hour is right when we were, you know, right around this area. I'm like, as soon as we pop back above that 50 and we ride it, we're going to see some nice movement. So what happened today is when the New York opened, they saw the extension between the 50 and the 200 EMA, and that built the pressure, and then now we busted to the upside. I'm looking for a psychological high, and I'm looking for BNB 300. XRP at 37, 1 hour, close to that 50 EMA. We were down here. I've been accumulating. We bounce above retest. We'll continue to the upside to the psychological high at 39. I'm looking for that 49, for that 40 cent. On the daily, check it out. We broke above this 50 on the daily, and we are retesting. So let's see where today's daily candle is going. Dogecoin on the daily. How did we do? Where are you? Doge on the daily. So we're still fighting to break above that. If we can't break above that, ooh, we're just going to trade sideways. Cardano on the daily. It's trying to break above that, and it's retesting right now. So we need to see another bullish candle pulling up on that. Shout out to the Babyswap. Babyswap at 6 cents. Babyswap was at 7. I was thinking about adding more to the farms, but I actually want to see what happens here. I'm going to do some, you know, more reading and looking into more passive income and farms. Don't forget to stop by J Strategies page, okay? And hit the like button and our tweets for today. Shout out to Miku. Look at this. I predicted this breakout. I told you guys exactly how we can go about it, and we did it properly. Bullish. I will be in an inside an AMA in about 45 minutes. You can hop over to the Miku Telegram group right here. Live on YouTube. Shouting out our today's Miku AMA. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
All right. So, see, there we go. We got our AMA today. Excellent. Right here. You see this. I'll be there. We are rocking. We got the meme contest going on right now. Make all your memes. Drop them underneath the official tweet, and you can see the official tweet right here. Look at this meme every day. Ends August 5th. Live drop your memes, use your tags, drop them in the Twitter, and drop them in the chat, guys. Show that you're active. You guys get rocked out, get bonuses, and all kinds of stuff, man. We are going to the moon with this one. All right. And you could just go ahead and just general talk, you know. I talk about Bitcoin. We talk about our gems. I do good morning tweets. And, you know, we talk it from there. Started the meme contest. And then also did some bullish tweets throughout the other days. We've been getting some pretty damn good numbers, which is excellent. I love you guys, man. I love, respect to you guys. Everybody that stops by and just does their thing, man. A lot of you guys are really, really, really good at what you do. Why the hell's my... Oh, okay. I was like stuck for a second. Okay. Alright. And then let me just get rid of this real quick. Because, yeah, I'm getting hit up. Oh, yeah, nice. Some friggin' pretty cool memes. Look forward. Look forward to it. You know, a lot of people loving it, rocking out. Okay, don't forget to stop by the YouTube. All right, because there's definitely a bunch of different stuff that you can see. This is actually our today's YouTube. I'm just gonna say mad love, guys. Follow Miku BSC chat for contests and today's AMA. All right. So I just wanted to shout out that I'll be doing an AMA, and then I think I'm gonna put my Twitter live, and I'm gonna do the live AMA through there. I just wanted to go through all this information with you guys. I had to share it. There's Manic at 89 on the daily, above the 50, about to test the 200. That is definitely bullish. As soon as I see a retest, I'm getting in there. Cake is another one that we've been watching. Look at this, pull above the 50. So it could be a good time to accumulate cake and stake it. So there's a lot of different opportunities here, guys, to be doing in the market. The S&P is at 411. So the S&P is actually up 1.24%. So that's definitely bullish. Okay. Gold is at 1776. So you can see actually gold had a little bit of a pump. But look at this. The price of oil was coming down. Let's check and see where it is. 94. So look at that. Some relief on the oil and the transportation companies. That's definitely bullish, guys. All right, guys, don't forget to come into our links and our links below. Use my phemex bonus right here, because the targets that I'm giving you, you can set that up as many accounts as you want, and when you do, shoot me a DM for your extra bonus. I just want to make everybody the latest and greatest, and I want to take us out there, man, because this is awesome. We continue to build, and we're going to grow as a fam. Okay? Coin market cap definitely doing their thing. We can actually go see BNB chain. Let's see what this says. Did you bust out a smoky?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. All right. So on the Binance chain, on BSC, what I've been doing is I've been buying Bitcoin on BSC and sending it to the exchange. It's so much easier, and using it to send out to the cold wallet. And then I've just been doing small scalp trades and just making a little bit of money and putting profits into Miku, you know. And it's definitely, you know, definitely a bullish thing, man. I want to show you guys. This is the 1 hour. We had a pump. Okay, people didn't like the rebrand. I hopped up in the project, and we started getting to work, man. And we pushed this to a nice floor right here. This was a falling wedge pattern, if you can see, if you know what that means. Okay, we broke out of that. Okay, so right now we're on a FOMO status. Okay, we should be forming another pattern in one of these time frames. Let me go ahead and go down to like a 15-minute time frame and see what we got. Okay, good. So you see how this little dip happened, and then we consolidated it on that. Now let me go to the 5 actually. Okay, yeah, dip, and then you know that dip wasn't there for long, and now we're consolidating with upward movement. So you know, there's definitely times you could grab an entry, and this, you know, chart is definitely growing. Look at that 800, you know, price floor. We're doing those AMA todays. We got the contest. We got 3 AMAs this week for Miku. So man, I can see some bullish stuff. Miku website has been overdone. You can go down now and see all the team, everybody. We're gonna be the best, man. You got the best community manager in the building, guys. I take you guys to the moon, and we try to use everything to the best of our ability. Okay, oil, like I said, yep, was going down. And then let's see, what else can I just pop up for you guys real quick. So for the rest of your day, what can you expect for Bitcoin? So Bitcoin on a shorter time frame for the rest of your day, since the market is a little bit bullish. All right, that means that we could see Bitcoin, and I'm looking on the 1 hour. I want to see this 1 hour close, and then the next 1 hour come above the daily open, because that M5 pivot zone is in range for that 24K. I have a 24K call out there. I think that right now we're right below, and I see us breaking out. Let me get on to the 30 and see how that's looking on that. Oh shit, yeah. So you know what? I think that we can probably, because look, you see where we broke down before at that 23,785? I think that we can go from the 23.1 to the 2,400 even, or right below it. You know, so I might set something like that. I would set the order at Well, it would have been great to set it at right here, you know what I mean? But still, if we hit the daily open and it stays bullish, but there's certain times where you want to set trades. So it wouldn't be a time now since we're above these moving averages. I'm just saying, just saying that. Because you could see from last time how we pumped and we got the, thanks, Babette. All right, so look, we pulled above that 50. We rode it, but then once we broke it, we fought to break above it. But now if we break above it, guess what's going to happen? You see this movement that happened from here? 21 up to 24. 4K movement. So let's say 4K will move us up to the 26. All right, and let me just show you something. Show you something that I've been seeing at the 26,000 even. Ready? Look at this. It's been a while. That's where we caught some of this up over here. So my bullish target, man, is that 26K. I love it, man. Mad love to all the shout outs, man. This is great. I love being with you guys. We are rocking the gout. Okay, if you want to buy, it has to be within the next 30 minutes. Follow Miku BSC chat for the contest. Okay. So there's contests going on. There's all kinds of stuff going on. Let me see. Let's go. Oh, chat, guys, go hit up this raid contest, okay? And I look for active members, and you can even see people saying, I give random, posts, random bonuses. Everybody, man, I want to see you guys learn. So at Miku, not only can you talk Miku, we can talk crypto. Let's earn passive income, and let's do this together. Mad love and respect to you guys. Thank you for following Jay's Strategies. Don't forget to hit me on Twitter. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and hit that bell. That helps pump the algorithm. Share and tag with your friends. Quote tweet and show me you got what it takes. And then you'll be on Jay's Strategies Twitter team too, making some cash. Let's go ahead. Thank you for visiting Jay's Strategies, where we bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and